It's a snow day here at Lost Art Press. Doesn't look that bad, but you have to remember this is Kentucky. So I thought I'd give you guys a quick tour of our Anthe building right now as to where we are. We're getting really close to being done. It might not look like it, and when I say done, it means second phase of 20. So this is the retail space. We are just waiting on some cabinetry for the back wall. And we have a gallery up there where we're gonna have projects on display. And here you can see we have cleaned up the floors, cleaned up all the windows, which were covered in black film, and sort of reestablished all the original walls here. Let's go through this fire door and into the lovely hallway. This is really in the middle of a lot of work. We had all the drywall put in, fire-safe drywall, and then had it sanded, and now our guys are painting it. This is the stairwell up to the second office, original to the building. Lots of original paint there, original beadboard. So let's go back here to the picking floor. Here are the transom windows that go up to the retail space. And here you can see the picking floor, my favorite thing, our forklift. This is the heart, really, of this whole building. This is the reason for the whole building. This is where we ship out 30,000 packages a year. And so we'll start over here. Here are all the products that we ship out. The bins, the pick bins, where we pick your orders. And then we come over here past the slop sink to the boxing stations. And this is where things are boxed up. And they go through those pink pieces of insulation onto the dock and off into the world. So, you know, this is the fulfillment center, tables, boxes, tape, scales, computers, labels, all that fun stuff. You're probably wondering why the hell I'm showing you a bathroom. This was one of the most difficult parts of the project, an ADA compliant bathroom. Thank you, county inspectors, for making us move this wall 5/8 of an inch back because you can't measure. My favorite window, this takes us out into the trench. I own a trench, people, and don't you forget it. There's our trench, look at that. Gorgeous frickin' trench. So yeah. Glad that didn't break. Okay, lovely tile work, beadboard, all that stuff. So let's go upstairs and take a look at what is new in the last couple months. All right, this is the second floor, and these are the new editorial offices. We're just getting settled in here, so things are still pretty much a mess, but we have a nice view here of downtown Covington. We're just a couple blocks from the river. This is time out for whenever one of us makes a grammar mistake. My desk, Megan's desk, Kale's desk, a partition wall that was built from salvage from the building. And then here you can see, you know, technical stuff, wires and stuff, you know. So we're building out the library here, and we'll go back here to tool assembly. Okay, still on the second floor. This is inventory we have on the second floor. One of the original bathrooms back there that we're going to be making functional again. And now here we are in tool assembly. This is where we make hammers and other crucible tools. This is the stuff that we use to make it. And here is our temporary kitchenette, I guess, until we get some more work done here. So material lift for taking material up and down. No people, just material. And HVAC, heat pump, and that thing up there is a dehumidifier, which is why everything here is super dry. More drywall in the process of being painted. More original stairs. This is the third floor. This is my favorite floor. Those are the big bay windows on the front. Huge high ceilings. Right now, this is just all book storage. We do some book signing up here for signed editions. This is the creepy material lift. No people, of course. And you can see where we've had to reinforce the wall back there. Very old building. And another dehumidifying unit. Someday, probably have some more employees up here, but for right now, this is just storage of books. And there you have it, the Lost Art Press headquarters, January 2025. Still tons more work to do, but it's quite amazing how far we've come in the last couple of years.